guys, welcome back to Festive Forever. So today we are going to Poco Loco, which is located at Khar. The place is quite famous for its Spanish and Mexican food. Wait a minute. So when I was thinking about this place, one thing that came in my mind was, what does even Poco Loco mean? So I allowed Google to help me and it translates little crazy. So all we have to do is go inside and find out how crazy this place is. So let's go. The place has variety of food and drinks menu right from the soups, salads, appetizers, mains, Spanish and Mexican food, even a separate Jain and brunch menu. Basically everyone is sorted over here. Hey guys, welcome to the beginning of our food feast. So before I start with my complete order, what I have called for honey chipotle chicken salad, and let's just go ahead and see what all things are there in it. Here I can see a lot of chipotle and greens, chicken. It's loaded with lots of green and chipotle. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a bite. Oops. Wow, to begin with, it's very tangy. Greens are crunchy. There are different kind of, the chipotle actually is quite tangy and there's tinge of spiciness in it. Oh my god, the crunch is so good and chicken is quite tender. I like how they have prepared, like where you can taste a lot of tanginess and little spice with crunchy greens, and yeah, that is quite good. Dish number 2. Here I have called for tacos, and these are cottage cheese tacos. I don't know, there are two kind of roti, say, or the base, whatever you call it, and then there is cottage cheese. There is some purple dressing happening here. I don't know what is it exactly. And then I can see some cream cheese, and just go ahead and grab a bite. I have a feeling that this is something with curd, the purple thing, and probably because of the beetroot, or probably it could be the beetroot that giving it purple color. And then there is tomato, cheese. I felt that this is quite okay, not that great. And yeah, it's like equally having some raita. Dish number 3, cheddar cheese lamb burger. The burger is quite cute looking. Oh my god, it looks super cute. Okay, So there is some kind of sauce, probably mayonnaise, and then cheddar cheese, lots of it, and a big patty. Oh my god, the patty looks absolutely delicious, and the bun is quite crispy, along with some peri peri fries. Now, fries are my all-time favorite, and again some veggies. So I'm gonna sink my teeth into this cute looking yummy burger. Wow, just wow, I loved this burger so much. The lamb is minced, it's crispy, the bun is quite crispy, it's buttery, it's loaded with lots of cheese, and it's extremely spicy. I love how this dish is so spicy, and yeah, it has everything that I love. This one is a must try. I'm gonna go ahead and take another bite. If you guys want to have a closer look, there are some greens, tomato, onion, lamb. This is minced. I think this is peri peri sauce, and yeah, of course the bun is so crispy. I loved it. Okay, so I have already messed it up. I might as well enjoy this. So here we have our dish number 4. So for dish number 4, I have called for something that vegetarian can hog on. These are loaded nachos, some beans, cheese, nachos, tomato, onion, and here I have some cheese sauce. I'm just going to pour this on top of it, all of it. Yeah, now let's just go ahead and grab a bite. Wow, it's crunchy. It's little sour. It's coming from the tomatoes and cheese sauce. The nachos are crunchy, loaded with lots of cheese and beans. It's little on the sour side, I would say. Yeah, but when you have it with so many tomato, onion on top of it, and with cheese, it tends to get little soggy. But if you're gonna have this immediately, it's a filling meal, guys. You don't have to order anything else. Just this one thing could just fill your stomach, and I'm sure that was the whole idea behind making loaded nachos. So what were you guys thinking, that I'm gonna end this vlog without calling for a dessert? Look right over here. I have called for tres leches, which is a 3-layered milk cake. Now let's have a look. Look how beautifully they have presented. There are little flowers on it, some pista, yellow thing happening over here. So let's just go ahead and take a bite. I'm gonna dip this into this milk, and then I'm gonna go ahead and have this delicious bite. Oh wow, it has caramel taste and milk flavor is quite dominating. It's like a rasmalai. Yes guys, this is actually tasting like rasmalai, but in Mexican style. It also has, I'm gonna show you, you guys can see this yellow thing. It's creamy and rich. It tastes like a malai along with whipped cream and milk cake. Oh wow, absolutely remarkable. I'm in love with it.
Wow. Delicious.
So let's talk about this place. The place is divided into two sections. One is indoor, the other is outdoor. Today I took the chance and I was sitting outdoor, and trust me guys, it was so breezy. I didn't feel hot at all. I was not even sweating. Jackpot! Other than that, the place is quite beautiful. I loved their food. It's a perfect place to have your chill out scenes. In fact, if you guys are in college, then you must come here. Prices are also quite reasonable for college people, and everything, actually each dish is quite filling. Even if you want to call out for just one dish, I'm sure it's gonna fill you up. So guys, I'm gonna rate this place 8.5 out of 10 on my festive meter. And most importantly, outer sitting has cool breeze, which makes this place quite pleasant. So that's all for today. If you guys are new to my vlog, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section below telling me how was your experience or any suggestion that you have. So I'm gonna end my vlog here. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.